founder of Miracle Botanicals.
And I'm Hannah. I work here at Miracle Botanicals in the shipping department.
And she does videos with me.
Yes.
And she loves essential oils, just like me.
Today we have our special guaiacwood.
Ooh, yes. We both love this so much. It has such a sweet and woodsy with a little bit, a little bit rose undertone. Smells like mild and grounding.
Very.
It comes as a solid.
Okay.
We're getting it by, where are we getting this steam distilled? Yeah, so in, you use your finger, kind of like you're getting some lip balm.
Right. And the way that we actually get this into liquid form is by putting it in a double boiler. And we heat it up, and then it gets all liquefied, and we fill these up with a little dispenser.
Yes.
And then it gets in there, and it's all hardened, and it's so easy to just apply to your skin directly.
Yes, and it's super gentle. So it's not one of those astringent essential oils. It's so gentle on the skin. I just apply it directly. In fact, right before this video, I applied it all over my throat. I just felt like putting it there, and oh, the aroma's beautiful.
Right where your lymph nodes are.
Yes.
Which goes into one of its good properties.
Yes, and I felt like a little bit of a sore throat vibe this morning, and I just read how this is good for a sore throat. So I was like, oh, it's so luxurious. What a nice, sweet medicine.
Yes, and it's been used historically as a meditative individual, just using it in that experience.
Yes, historically it's been for spiritual and meditative experiences, and now it's known to be a powerful anti-inflammatory. So a lot of people are using it for that too, and that's why it would be helpful for a sore throat, because that's inflammation right there.
Right, and that's right where all your lymph nodes.
Yeah, I feel great. It was wonderful. It's also really good for joint pain. Hannah was putting on her knees.
Yeah, I put some on my knees yesterday after driving all day. They were so sore, and I just massaged it right in, and I felt instant relief.
Yeah, a lot of essential oils are like that when it comes to inflammation and pain. It's just amazing how powerful they are and how quickly they work.
Right?
Yes, it's also recommended for respiratory health. So, any kind of congestion in the lungs, or, just rubbing it right on the chest. It could be rubbed right on the chest. It could be diluted too, but what's